Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Alpha Vantage API. First, you'll need to get your free API key from their official website. This key is essential for accessing any data. Next, we'll look at the basic structure of an API call, focusing on common functions like time series data. We'll also discuss how to choose a suitable programming language, such as Python, to make your data requests efficiently. This easy method will get you started quickly. Now, let's make your very first API call. You'll construct a simple URL request, including your unique API key and the specific function you want to use. For example, you might request daily stock prices for a particular symbol like IBM. Once the API responds, it will typically return data in a JSON format. We'll then go over how to parse this JSON response to easily extract the information you need, such as closing prices or trading volumes. As you work with the API, it's important to handle potential issues. Alpha Vantage has rate limits, so we'll discuss strategies to manage your requests and avoid errors. We'll also cover best practices for storing the data you retrieve, whether in a database or a simple file, ensuring it's readily available for analysis. Finally, we'll touch upon exploring more advanced features, such as requesting technical indicators or fundamental data, to enhance your projects. With your newfound skills, you can now integrate Alpha Vantage data into your own applications, trading bots, or custom dashboards. Remember to regularly check the official Alpha Vantage documentation for any updates or new features that could benefit your projects. Staying informed ensures you're always using the most current and efficient methods. Also, if your car needs a refresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keep experimenting and building amazing things with your data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.